guys, good morning. So I've just been, I've been pacing and I can't seem to get an idea out today. Like, I really wanted to film something, but I didn't know exactly what I should do. And honestly, I'm just feeling very creatively drained and I want to put my thoughts on paper. I want to get organized. I want to clean. With all the changes that I've been having in my life in the past year, you know, moving 3 times, I think my brain is just trying to understand how to function properly. Honestly, I really don't know where I'm going with this, and you guys probably have no idea too. But I'm hungry, so let's get some nutrition in this brain and cut this wristband off. This one's feeling a little dry. Still moist. I'm not much of a morning person or morning breakfast person. So I like to get as much nutrition as I can in my smoothies. That way I could have a nice fresh start to my day. And I really just enjoy how refreshing smoothies are overall. I'm gonna share with you guys my recipe, or at least like one of the many that I have, and it's my favorite. I'm free! This is a Vitamix that my mom donated to me when I first moved out because she got herself a new one. And unfortunately, the switch broke. Also works though. I've got some frozen acai, some strawberries, and like 4 blueberries because Roger used these for his overnight oats. And he only left me this, he only left me this much. I've got some vegan yogurt by Forager. I also add a little bit of honey and daily turmeric to kind of add some nutrition. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot my bananas, and I also have some spinach. This takes forever. Just about this much. Just a handful of that. So I may or may not have made way too much smoothie, but it's okay. I'm a hungry girl, we can do this. I'm kind of getting a brain freeze right now, but it's so good. On my to-do list, I have clean and organize my room, wash the dishes, try some stuff with my polymer clay, sell some stuff on Depop, self-care, emails, editing, and I also really want to book some medical appointments because my insurance is about to run out. And even if I don't get to absolutely everything that I have on my list, I feel like at least tackling some of these things is better than nothing. And I'm just a naturally fearful person, so sometimes I will purposely avoid things and there's just no excuse. I gotta do them. Today's the day. Also, this is a journal that I use. I will try to find it online, but this is pretty much just like a blank canvas where you get to just put whatever day you're ready to put on here. No pressure to be here every week. And now I'm gonna get into some clothes so I can feel like a human being today. Pardon the AC noise, it's kind of really hot, so I didn't want to turn it off. I feel like today is a good moo-moo kind of day since I'm gonna be home all day. Satisfy your complexion with this formula that features green tea extract, a word I can't pronounce, and glacier water to help calm and balance even sensitive skin. I've never in my entire life have had to look up doctors. I've kind of always just gone to where my parents go to, but since I don't live where my parents live, I'm just gonna rely on Google. My mask is getting a little wet right now. But yeah, I'm gonna look. Hopefully, oh my gosh, I'm getting the mask everywhere. Hopefully I can find some information about them and I guess give them a call. I've never done this before, so this should be very interesting. Hi, yes. I'd like to book an appointment for myself with Dr. When do you think is the soonest that I can like have an appointment? Okay, yeah, I'd like to put my name under dianachamomile. I'm thinking of maybe putting on some makeup so that I could actually feel like I'm doing stuff. But I don't know. Oh yes, oh yes. You're so cute, Mama. feel like this is the first time you guys are actually gonna see a mess in my videos other than with my packing and stuff, but this is the reality of things. I'm like naturally the kind of person that just throws things everywhere, but then I have my mom kind of sort of living in my head, always telling me to pick up after myself, so then I end up doing that way I could actually function. Kind of also have a mess going on back here, so it's just gonna be a full room cleanup, and then after that I'm gonna treat myself to a little bit of like polymer clay playing. Okay, are you guys ready for this? Look at it. Yeah, I'm not proud, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my gosh, I don't think I'm ready for this. Chocolate in my purse. It's kind of like a little hidden treat. A lot of progress here at my desk. As you can see, it's nice and clear. On this side we have all of my beauty stuff and some phone cases, some candles. It's kind of organized, although it doesn't look like it. On the other side I have all of my stationery, and I also have this very handy dandy Glossier Ziploc bag that's great to store all of my receipts for whenever tax season comes around. And then on this side I got my chair back in its place. I moved another one that I used for filming another day, and my shelves are like mostly all organized. I still have my laptop here because I have some work to do a little bit later. I have been wanting to delve into ceramic clay for a while. Unfortunately, there aren't any ceramic clay studios anywhere near me. So the other day, my dad took me to Joann's because I just decided to get into polymer clay instead. I also got myself some paintbrushes because I want to actually be able to paint my sculptures that I make. I don't think I'm going to be getting into that today. I think I'm just going to try and see if I could at least get a shape down because I really want to start making wall sculptures. It's been so long since I've actually been able to like make something with my hands, and I kind of miss being creative. I've also toyed with the idea of possibly maybe starting my own little shop of handmade things, so if you're into that, let me know. I feel like that'd be something that'd be really fun and cool to share with you guys. I miss making clothes and stuff, and while right now I don't think I'm 100% ready for that, I think that's definitely something that I want to do in the future. It's already 6 o'clock, you guys. The day flew by so fast, but honestly, I'm very proud of myself. I feel like I got a lot done.
It's going to warm up, and once it's warmed up, it's a lot easier to condition it. So bits of normal clay and some liquid clay into something that is shiny and a little bit thick. Now you can
by getting straight into editing this video because I'm so stoked to get it up for you guys. Honestly, I just feel like I'm in such a better state of mind than I was this morning, and just being able to finally do all those things that I've been avoiding for so long. It was great. And recently I've come to realize that because I love making videos so much, I prioritize them over my everyday life, and I just want to find a balance. I honestly don't know if anyone's gonna actually find this entertaining, but I'm personally somebody that just gets a kick out of cleaning and getting things done. So I would love to hear from you guys in like a little comment or something, letting me know how you guys like to get productive back at home. Whether that be getting your finances in check, doing a little bit of self-care, or just cleaning something. I think it's just something that will make you feel 100 times better. But if you enjoyed this video and you happen to be new here, you can hit the subscribe button. Also hit the little bell to be notified for whenever I upload. That would be really cool. That's it. I'm gonna start editing now, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. Love you. Bye.